Hey, what's up, everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review of the Safe Bark Control Collar. What I like about this one here, it's a very flexible bark training collar that fits just about any dog. We're gonna do a quick unboxing here. I'll kind of go over the components and explain to you how it works and kind of give my thoughts on the build quality. So let's go into here. Let's open up the box. We have our instruction manual right through here. We also have the unit itself that provides provides a sound, vibration, and a little static shock here through these little nodes. And again, you can program this. I'll get into that later in the video. You can program this to deliver any one or all three of those deterrents against barking. It includes the actual strap here itself. It also includes the USB charger to keep the unit charged up. Obviously, it does run on electricity. And then you also get this little bag here, which includes the tester, and it also includes some protective covers for the nodes here as well. Let's kind of go into the instruction manual. All right, so like I was saying before, depending upon the mode and setting that you put the collar into, you can actually deliver, again, just as little as just an audible deterrent to barking, and all the way up to, if you go to step 6, it's a 5-second audible deterring, as well as 2 seconds of static shock, and then again, there's a couple of things here that are in between. So depending upon how intense you want to get with your dog, this is you can adjust that based upon the different settings here. With this one here, right here, how it works here on the back, if you see there's this little space between the two nodes. The nodes here are actually what deliver the static shock. This is a microphone. That's a sound sensor in there, and there is obviously a speaker built in for the sound. Now, when we're performing the initial setup, it's important to know that these probes here, if you look real close, they're actually threaded. So what we're going to have to do is, before we can actually use this, we actually have to add the probe surfaces and then cover them with the little silicone caps here. What this is going to do is this is actually going to protect your dog's skin so that the bare metal doesn't start digging into their skin. This is going to make it a lot more comfortable to wear. So basically, again, the back end of this is threaded. We kind of hop in here, and then I'm going to use the shorter ones for this demonstration. Basically just going to screw that one on there. Grab the other, oh, I'm sorry, this is, yeah, here we go. Grab the same size, make sure you grab the probes at the same size. Hop onto here. Let me finish this off camera, hold on. All right, so we got them both screwed on here, and then this one here, again, the silicone cap, just kind of, my camera will focus here. That just pops right onto there, and now this is going to be a lot more comfortable than those two exposed metal screws. And then coming through here, you do have a very, very long collar here. This is, I think it's a 10 or 15 inch or so neck on your dog. As long as you don't have like a big, huge Saint Bernard, this will fit your dog. This is a monstrous collar. Basically, what we're going to do here is we're just going to slide it through these little archways here to get this all set up. All right, now we're just going to pull this through here, and then essentially comes over this way through. If I can get this done here while the camera's rolling, we're going to come through and then back through the other way. And now you can size this again to your dog, to where that is. Now, when it comes time to charge, you are going to have to use a little bit of slack here to uncover, because the charging port is covered by that little rubber bit right there. You can kind of see that back there. That has to pop out so that the charging port basically can pop in, and you can charge this. Once this is charged, though, this should last about 15 days, depending upon how often it's used. All right, so once we get this all set up, we're going to press and hold to power it on. You'll feel it vibrate, kind of let you know that it's working up here, and then the M is the mode, and you can flick between the shock or just the vibration here. And then again, the power button here, mode 3, mode 4, mode 5. You basically select your mode based upon the included chart. So if I want to go here 0, if I want to go into 1, it's just going to be 2 seconds of a noise deterrent. If I wanted to go to a 5-second vibration deterrent, I would go over to, I go around again. we'd go to basically to number 4 or number 5. Let's go back to number 4. Hold on. Go back to number 4. Now it's going to be a 5 seconds of a vibration as opposed to, and then if I go there, it's going to be the number 4 of a shock, which is 1.5 seconds of static shock. So either way, again, depending upon the mode button, how you want to discipline your dog, it's over there. It's got this nice little battery meter, which will tell you it does come out of the box fully charged. So you can actually put this on your dog and start bark training. So again, it's the build quality on it's pretty well. This is all very heavy duty plastic. This strap here is it's densely woven. It's not going to go anywhere. Although it is important you do not pull on the collar. This is not designed to be a traction collar. So this is just meant to be worn, again, worn by your dog and not really grabbed on. But again, the quality of the construction is high quality. The materials used are well. This should last you quite a long while. I would recommend it.